If you're one of those people who's having shortness of breath while you walk, going up a flight of stairs, or maybe even while you're laying down on bed, you have to be very, very careful because this could be a sign of a serious health condition that could lead you, if you're not careful, to death. Why do you lack air all the time? Why are you always with a shortness of breath? We're going to see the causes, what solutions you have, and what home remedies you can use all in one video so that you can reverse these symptoms and reverse these health conditions. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandevar.com. If at any point in this video you have any questions, I do answer questions. Maybe if you need anything, a consultation or supplements, you can look for them at drlandevar.com, and make sure to pay close attention to the subject because millions of people will suffer from shortness of breath and they will have no idea that their life is in danger. So today we're going to get right into it and get to know exactly why you feel it, what solutions you have, and what home remedies you can use. Now, before I start, please make sure to subscribe and press that like and notification button. That's all I ask for this free information that takes a while to prepare. Having said that, let's continue. Number 1. Obesity is one of its main causes. If you're one of those people who has more weight, obviously more mass means more cells, means more body fat. The problem with this is that your body will need more oxygen to make sure that all these cells can live, for circulation to be able to reach every single corner of your body. And your lungs that are made to have just a certain amount of weight they can distribute oxygen to, well, they're going to have trouble with that respiratory function. You're always going to be with a lack of air. You're going to feel that your breath is not enough. You always want to breathe more. The thing that you need to do is obviously get rid of this obesity, which, by the way, is one of the main things that is going to cause the rest that we're going to talk about. So you need a solution. What do? You actually lose weight. You improve breathing. You make sure to use home remedies, in this case, a diet, right? Exercise. Things that you can do that are simple, but obviously a lot of people won't because they're lazy, because they don't have time, or because they just don't care about their health until things go overboard. Look for supplements that can help you also. Look for Apple-izer, Garcinia Cambogia from Fineland, Figure-izer, or Berbrain from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 2, high blood pressure or hypertension. Hypertension is basically an elevated blood pressure, meaning there's a very constrained amount of space for the arteries, and therefore your heart has to make a lot of effort to push all that blood onto every part of your body. It's going to require more oxygenation because you're using a lot more of that strength of your heart. You need to make sure that this high blood pressure goes away, because if you don't, you're going to see other causes pop up. We're going to talk about that in just a minute. This hypertension will cause you that lack of breath or lack of air, that sensation that you always need more breath to your body to keep it going. You need a solution. In this case, just lower your blood pressure. And how do you do that? You cut salt. You cut foods that have so much fat in it for you not to gain more weight, and obviously use home remedies like horsetail garlic that you can use at home to make sure that this happens. Always, supplements are a very good option. They're simple to take, easy to find. Something like Uri Essence, Garlic Gold, Heart Excel from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 3, cardiomegaly, which is an enlarged heart. This is a very delicate situation because a lot of the people that have this third cause have gone through obesity, have gone through hypertension specifically and most commonly, and will end up with an enlarged heart. Not because they have more love to give, no, it's because their heart has been actually doing so much pressure against that hypertension and that obesity that it just gets larger and therefore gets less efficient. It has a lot, let's say, a lot of difficulty getting the oxygen it needs to pump, to distribute it through the rest of the body, and it's constantly giving the brain signs that it needs more oxygen because it's larger, and therefore you're always with that lack of breath. Make sure that you can try to prevent this because you can't actually fix it. You have to prevent it. You make sure that you control your blood pressure, you reduce it, or you start exercising every day. If you don't do this and you start lowering that blood pressure, you're going to see a very serious situation. And you're going to see even that you are lacking that breath. Even when you're laying down, you're not doing anything. You're just lying down and you have that lack of breath that you are always requiring. What home remedy can you use? Well, in this case, obviously, walk 30 minutes a day, make sure that you're exercising every day, you're not consuming salts, retaining liquids, and you're obviously using supplements like On Cardio, Vein Flow, Vascucare, Metafix. Look for them at drlandevar.com. Number 4, COPD or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. It could be asthma, it could be some other condition like allergies or some other condition, health condition that is causing you to be obstructed in your pulmonary function. You're not able to breathe properly. Make sure that your house is clean enough, that you're taking probiotics, that your immune system is up, that your body itself is not constrained to how your lungs are functioning. So you have to help your lungs. You have to make sure that you have all these situations we talked about in order. Home remedies you can use. Green apples are excellent. Remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and that's specifically because it improves lung function. You can always support your lungs with eucalyptus oil. You can always use supplements, again, like Probilion, Allergies, Flufend, Mulien, supplements that will improve your immune system like Immunoguard. Number 5, poor circulation. This is probably one of the most common situations where people see that lack of air or that breath that is never enough, right? Circulation is a very serious deal, and it could be because you are obese, because you're overweight, because your heart is too big, because you have a situation with your vascular system that is not healthy enough. In any case, you're gonna feel that lack of breath, and you can fix it. You can find a solution. In this case, it's almost always keeping you physically active, keeping you with exercise, improving blood flow with massages, improving blood flow without the intake of extreme amount of salt or sugars or diabetes. Diabetes will affect it also, by the way. High blood pressure, insulin resistance, all that. And you can always use something that's a home remedy like cauliflower. Cauliflower, not many people know, it actually improves oxygenation. It really does improve the oxygenation and the circulation in your system. And you always want to look also for other ingredients that can improve your vascular system, your arteries, your veins, Flufend, Allergies, Cerasooth, supplements that will improve circulation in general. Vein flow, for example, at drlandivar.com. Number 6, that lack of breath could be simply anemia. Hey, I don't have enough oxygen. Well, if you don't have enough oxygen, it might be because you don't have enough cells to carry it. In this case, red blood cells, and you are anemic. Anemia is one of the most common health conditions in the world, and we probably are living with it and we're not noticing it. But we are seeing symptoms, so if you're seeing that lack of breath, that lack of air, you're feeling it, well, you might need to improve and increase those blood cells. You might need a home remedy. Meats, believe me, meats are not the bad guys anymore, and we know this, okay? So don't get fooled by it. Red meats are excellent if you don't have any condition that is impeding you from taking it. You need red meats. You need spinach. You need vegetables that are high in iron. You need supplements of all sorts that you can take that have iron in it, like Red 8 Plus, multivitamin, B12 Forte, or B-Max. Number 7, anxiety and stress. If I'm fighting a tiger, if I am in a situation where I'm running from a beast, something that is trying to eat me up, in this case stress, it might be an economic stress, it might be something in your family, it might be something that's stressing you out, and this is just figurative speaking, right, about the lion and the tiger, but it is reality for us, for the body, is it's going to need to breathe a lot more. It's going to need a lot more oxygen to make sure it can meet the demands of all these organs that need to function with stress. When you're stressed out, you need more oxygen. So be careful, make sure that you can reduce that stress, make sure that you can control that breathing, make sure that you can help your body by de-stressing, by using a home remedy that can help you out, like, for example, chamomile tea, cinnamon tea, all the teas and all the substances you know that will help calm your system down and make sure that you can feel completely satisfied with the oxygen you are breathing. Don't forget to give us your like button, don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.